Welcome to Certain Media DIY secret number 10, how to protect my music overseas. So you've registered with the Library of Congress, you've registered with your publishing rights organization, you've registered with Sound Exchange, you've done all of the secrets that came before this, and now you want to make sure your music is protected overseas for where you stream and things like that. Each country has its own publishing rights organization. The US does not have an organization that helps you register in Japan or helps you register in Germany. You're going to have to go online and find out what the organization's name is, find their site, register with them, and go on that path. Google is your best friend when it comes to this. I would highly suggest just putting in the name of the country and then publishing rights organization, and you should find the organization that you're looking for. Go ahead and register. Do that for as many countries as you know your music is being played in. Now, this is more for the mechanical licensing and mechanical royalties. If you want to protect yourself overseas online, you really only have to register with Sound Exchange. They will protect your music overseas when it streams globally. There's a new organization called the MLC that, in addition to Sound Exchange, will help you watch your music plays online, whether that's on a podcast, streaming, or anything that's being played digitally over the internet. Next, we're going to get into Certain Media DIY secret number 11, how to register with Sound Exchange so you can protect your music online.